G'day YouTube. I'm just going to make a very quick video to show you how I made album covers for my wall. I looked around on the internet for a while and I couldn't find anything that was easy and cheap. So I did my own thing and this was the result. I used Corflute, which is material used for making real estate signs, and as you can see here I used a type of molding which is called slimline end cap. Now this is 4.75mm, which I used at first a little bit narrow at the end, so I went to 7.5mm, which you can see here, a lot thicker, easier to hold the album, as you can see with this one, and especially if you've got plastic covers over it, makes it a little bit thicker. So all I've done is I cut the Corflute to the right size, I cut the end cap to the right size, and I used super glue to glue the end cap onto the Corflute, and there you have it. Works really well. I'll cut to another video and show you it on the wall. As you can see, I've just used 2 pins just to hold it into the wall. Very simple, it's very light. And there we go. I've slid a record in from the side, as you can see, and it just sits in there perfectly. And that cost me probably about $3 to make that one. The Corflute's cheap as chips, and you can get a length of that moulding from your hardware shop. In New Zealand it's about $8 to $10 for a length, so pretty cheap to make and pretty effective. Cheers.